Good morning. We're at Mount Lindeman Trail. Here it is. A gorgeous, nice, cool morning. Cloudy moments. It's going to clear up later. So we're going up Mount Lindeman. It's about 16 kilometers round trip, 1,400 meters elevation gain. So here we go. Here's the start of the trail. Here's Gopi. Anson and Jolene is very, very happy. We're all very, very motivated to hike this trail. It's been on our bucket list for quite a while. Look at this. Mountains, the skies, interesting. So far the beginner trail is quite flat. No elevation gain yet. Weather a little bit cool. Cloudy, but it'll be sunny later. So we're gonna have some clear skies. So once we get up there, we're gonna have some nice views of surrounding mountains on the Canadian side, also on the American side as well. We're gonna go past some lakes, two lakes, UppeHanging Lake and Lower Hanging Lake. And the Lower Hanging Lake, half of it is in the US side, other side is on the Canada side. So we're not gonna attempt to cross it because we don't want to get killed by the drones.